The Homeless Helper is the name of the design. It is a wagon that's pulled by someone. It has snacks, bottled water, umbrellas, Operation Clue, Nintendo switches, volleyball, and a net. This invention makes homeless people happy. It also gives them things they need and ways to have fun.
February 23rd, it is time for our morning announcement, so let's get started. Today is a new day.
Today is a new day.
It's going to be a great day.
It's going to be a great day.
Everybody here cares about me.
Everybody here cares about me.
Well, I really like the Maker Challenge, that it's a hands-on opportunity. And it kind of puts all the kids on a level playing ground no matter where they are academically. Us teachers are really encouraged to step back and let the kids, take ownership on these projects. Specifically, the Homeless Helper was really cool that was completely kid-driven and an idea that they came up with.
I made pretty much the whole main idea. Aubrey and Trevor and Keegan's were supporting details.
So the 4 students were Aubrey, Takora, Keegan, and Trevor.
Trevor, don't know a lot about him. He likes dirt bikes.
Pretty much any dirt bike / ATV / monster truck / anything with 2 or 4 wheels.
Aubrey, very kind and funny and my best friend.
Car or a 4-wheeler or a dirt bike if you had, or a snowmobile.
Keegan has a dog. That's about all I know about Keegan.
Except for like a bike. Anything motorized with wheels.
I got a flamingo.
She has a very strong personality and very strong opinions, and she's not afraid to voice them. So especially when it comes to the Homeless Helper, I think that's something that she felt really passionate about, just knowing that is a problem in our community. When things are not right, even on the playground, she's one that stands up for others. She doesn't like conflict. And so she worked really well with her team and included everybody.
I think it really started out as an idea in Takora's head, really. I don't know, because I'm not Takora's brain.
We started off, Takora drew like this picture of just like a teal cart, had a sign that says you can help the homeless, had a mushroom on it and everything. Then we ended up doing some little changes on it. We added more mushrooms.
They had the best teamwork of all the groups, and they really listened to one another and rooted each other on and really included everybody. They were really great about that.
Maybe we could add on everyone's ideas into one thing on the Homeless Helper so that not only one person could be satisfied, but everyone could be satisfied.
4 designs won from our school, and then the Homeless Helper went on to win within the whole corporation.
Every year we partner with different organizations to make this possible, and this year we partnered with Indiana University and the Hoosier Hills Career Center for the My Machine Challenge.
And Best Overall Idea, Prototype, and Story is awarded to the Homeless Helper from Unionville Elementary School. Takora Cartnell, Aubrey Gruppenhoff, Trevor Durnall, and Keegan Youngins.
It felt very good to be honored for something we made.
In our classroom, we have yoga balls, and I jumped very high.
Very high.
Yeah. You can ask people that sat next to me.
There's no words.
Once we saw the ideas, we basically thought, wow, this is a bit much. So we sent them a PowerPoint talking about the hierarchy of needs, and just explaining that if we are working as the user being the homeless population, then they need the basic essentials first. And they have all these different drawings that were super cute, kind of realistic things and also kind of unrealistic things.
Money guns with like $10,000 in fake cash.
Like traveling houses with like tennis courts.
Lunchables, water, Cheez-Its, flavored water,
Cheez-It puffed.
Video games and Xboxes.
some dinosaurs.
A bunch of different like really expensive toys.
I was kind of going through a nacho cheese phase. So
Yeah.
I thought, why can't we just put nacho cheese in it?
I didn't expect them to be as involved as they really were.
Do you guys want to do a drum roll too? That'd be kind of fun. All right.
I think the children are extremely passionate about their design. They're super into it. I mean, like, they were constantly asking questions or like giving us pointers. Like, they were telling us what to do and they knew exactly what they wanted in their design.
So they added like this bed sort of thing, and they made it so that you would give it to a homeless person for the night. Our idea was like there would be drawers and you'd go around and you'd give homeless people stuff.
They were obsessed with mushrooms, which was like the funniest thing about the whole project.
I liked the mushrooms.
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 Definitely mushrooms.
I feel like the main idea of art was mushrooms.
I was gonna make a joke about how like none of our designs, we never have to consider gravity. So just working through a shelter that can fold out and also not crumble was really difficult.
Yeah, I definitely feel content with what we gave Hoosier Hills. I think we put a lot of work into it, like holy cow. And we worked through a lot of different scenarios, and I think this is definitely the best one. We finished our schematics yesterday and turned those in, and it was a really good feeling.
I suppose there are some concerns with maybe needing a brake of some kind on it, but I mean, I think the wheels will, I think it'll push easily with the proper wheels on it.
The wheels were a big pain.
I mean, it worked, it just didn't stay on the best.
They wouldn't roll or stand up at all.
It went okay.
It was not fun.
So this lid was cut before this was made, so it needs to be trimmed down, that way it'll fit inside still. That's what we're working on right now. I'd say the plan, at least the blueprints, they've been pretty helpful. There's some things we've had to modify to try to get it to work the way it should, but for the most part, it's worked out well.
This is the first time that Unionville has actually made it as a winner. Just being able to have IU come in and take their prototype further and then further, and now to hear that Hoosier Hills is making the actual dream machine of the homeless helper is so cool, and the kids are really excited about it. So this is the first time we've been able to take it this far. Oh my, okay, let me call.
There are a lot of homeless people out there, and they just don't have anywhere to go. And these people don't have food, water, entertainment, a home, so somewhere to sleep.
Any natural disaster that can happen, they won't have any shelter or any place to stay dry.
A flood, you could go out there in the cold whenever it's raining and snowing. Probably, I don't know where they go. They don't have a house, and they don't have a warm bed or anything.
I would like to welcome everybody that's here, parents, families, teachers, friends, and all of our friends from Indiana University that are here together. This is the homeless helper. Again, what an idea, what an aware concept. Very, very neat idea. Who is the homeless helper inventor? All right, so why don't you come up here and help me? So, all right, so you guys stand over here and no peeking, okay? Ready? Are you ready to see the homeless helper?
Yes!
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I really hope that we can use it to help local homeless people and then maybe build 50 more to have at least one in every state. And the goal is to be like a farmer where you start off small and then go really big.
If it was a perfect world, there would not be homeless people if it was a perfect world. They'd get enjoyment out of it and they'd feel better than how they did before they had the cart when they didn't have it.
Homeless people won't just have stuff that they need. They'll have a cart to store it all, as well as a place that they can sleep so they don't have to sleep on the ground, which we all know isn't comfortable.
But we're giving them food, water, a place to sleep, and support for their dog or cat or hamster.
Just by doing small things, it can expand to be hopefully the whole world.
That's all I have to say.